Simulation models the combined effects of individual project risks and other sources of uncertainty to evaluate their potential impact on achieving project objectives. The most common simulation technique is Monte Carlo analysis, in which risks and other sources of uncertainty are used to calculate possible schedule outcomes for the total project. Simulation involves calculating multiple work package durations with different sets of activity assumptions, constraints, risks, issues, or scenarios using probability distributions and other representations of uncertainty. Quantitative risk analysis uses a model that simulates the combined effects of individual project risks and other sources of uncertainty to evaluate their potential impact on achieving project objectives. When running a Monte Carlo analysis for cost risk, the simulation uses the project cost estimates. When running a Monte Carlo analysis for schedule risk, the schedule network diagram and duration estimates are used. An integrated quantitative cost schedule risk analysis uses both inputs. The output is a quantitative risk analysis model. Computer software is used to iterate the quantitative risk analysis model several thousand times. The input values, cost estimates, duration estimates, or occurrence of probabilistic branches, are chosen at random for each iteration. Outputs represent the range of possible outcomes for the project end date, project cost at completion. Typical outputs include a histogram presenting the number of iterations where a particular outcome resulted from the simulation, or a cumulative probability distribution, S-curve, representing the probability of achieving any particular outcome or less.
You can also see our electronic books, courses, tools and techniques games, and blogs on avisualpmpacademy.com. Explore a treasure trove of knowledge and insights in the world of project management at Visual PMP Academy's blog.